Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best kids' bike helmets to help you find the perfect mix of safety, comfort, and style for your little riders. We upload quality videos every day to guide you in choosing the right products for your family, so stick around to see which helmet stands out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful product reviews. Number 1. Giro Fixture 2 Youth MIPS. The Giro Fixture 2 is everything you could want in a youth bike helmet: lightweight, well-ventilated, easy to adjust, and secure. Its rubber grip dial adjust knob and soft, preset side straps make achieving a great fit effortless. Comfort is a standout feature of the Fixture 2. Premium padding, made from technical materials and integrated air channels, help minimize sweat for long-lasting comfort. Additionally, the helmet incorporates the latest MIPS technology for enhanced protection, with covered MIPS anchors that prevent long hair from getting caught. The fixed side straps make getting a proper fit easier for most of our kid testers. However, the inability to tighten these side straps has been problematic for some kids. Note, the Fixture 2 also comes in a universal women's size, which is identical to the youth version in both helmet size and features, but offers different color options. Many listings combine both women's and youth helmets. Number 2. Retrospec Remy. Cute, fun, and durable, the Retrospec Remy delivers quality and performance at an affordable price. Available in 4 sizes to fit all ages and a variety of colors and designs for both kids and adults, it's easy to find a Remy helmet that suits your style. Some standout features include the white rubber bumper around the helmet edge for added protection, reflective and durable chin straps, and comfortable athletic padding. As a budget helmet, the Remy does show its price point in its weight. At 430 grams, it's a bit heavier than the 390-gram 1000 Junior, which, although pricier, is dual certified for both biking and skateboarding and includes a magnetic buckle for added ease of use. Better visibility. Built-in visor shields them from the sun and provides better visibility while your kiddo is learning to master their bike, board, or scooter. Number 3. 1000 Junior Kids. Who says a bike helmet can't be stylish and safe? The 1000 Junior and 1000 Heritage helmets combine safety and vintage-inspired style, making them a great choice for kids who want a cool accessory that's also protective. The 1000 Junior is specifically a kid's helmet, but its size range is on the smaller end, meant for younger kids. If you have an older child with a head circumference of at least 54 centimeters, the 1000 Heritage adult helmet in the small size could be a great option. 1000 helmets stand out in safety thanks to 2 key features. First, they are dual certified for both biking and skateboarding, making them versatile for active kids. Second, the helmets come with an integrated visor that stays firmly in place, providing face protection in the event of a faceplant. Number 4. Smith Convoy. When Smith introduced their first kids helmet, the Wilder Junior, it quickly became a favorite. Their adult Convoy helmet brings the same style and quality in larger sizes that work well for older kids. Our testers choose the Convoy for its adult MTB styling, excellent ventilation, and fit. As parents, we love the helmet's high-quality construction and how well it stays in place, even during active riding. With over 70 helmets tested, the Smith Convoy has proven to be one of the most secure options. The Convoy's fit system offers several adjustment points, including a unique rear dial adjust and cage system that wraps snugly around the back of the head. This cage can be shifted to ensure the dial rests comfortably on the occipital bone, allowing for a custom fit that's highly secure. Stay cool and eliminate foggy lenses. With 20 fixed vents for consistent airflow and the Air AVAC system to integrate with Smith eyewear, you'll stay cool and your glasses will stay clear. Number 5. Giro Scamp 2. The Giro Scamp has been a top choice for kids' bike helmets for nearly a decade, and for good reason. Lightweight and equipped with a dial adjust fit system, it offers exceptional comfort for young riders. Plus, the availability of MIPS technology adds an extra layer of safety, making it a favorite among our testers. In February 2024, Giro introduced the Scamp 2, bringing exciting upgrades to an already fantastic helmet. It features improved ventilation and a new ratcheting buckle, a rare and incredibly pinch-proof design that's become our favorite over the past 14 years. We're thrilled to see it included in the Scamp 2. Families can choose between two price points to suit their needs: $75 for the MIPS version or $55 without. A pop-in LED light is also available. The Scamp's design is slightly shallow, which works well for most kids, but might not fit as comfortably on children with taller foreheads. For those kids, the deeper-fitting Giro Fixture 2 could be a better option.